16th question. In the square grid below, which of the following lines, when drawn, is perpendicular to JD? Okay, before moving on to this, first let us know a few things. Okay, now when we take this line and see these angles, if we were to start from this right hand side, the line that is on the main line is a 0 degree. We go a bit up, here is an acute angle which is less than 90 degrees, and when you go straight up, exactly at the center, you have a right angle of 90 degrees, and it goes above that, it is an obtuse angle which is greater than 90, and when it comes flat back here, it becomes into 180 degrees. Okay, so now we just need to know this about this right angle which is 90 degrees. Okay, the definition of a perpendicular line: two lines intersect at a point with an angle of 90 degrees. So A and B are two lines that are intersecting at a point with an angle of 90 degrees. Parallel lines are two lines that don't intersect and are at the same distance apart. So there's no intersection between both. Now let's go to the main question. Okay, now we need to find that which of the following lines when drawn is perpendicular to JD. Okay, now let us take the first one, CK. Now let us draw a line for CK. Now when we draw a line for CK, when we compare CK and JD lines, we see that it is parallel and there's no intersection. Therefore, it is parallel. Now let us consider the next one, AK. Now let us draw a line joining AK. When we draw this line here, AK, it is intersecting at the line JD, but it is not at 90 degrees. Rather, it is in an obtuse angle. Therefore, AK is also not the answer. Next we see is AC. So when we draw a line joining AC, now we can see that AC and JD are intersecting, and it is intersecting at an angle 90 degrees. So therefore the answer is option 3, AC. And the last one, AB, when we were to draw this here, we actually see it's actually a acute angle, even though it's intersecting, it's acute. So therefore AB is not the answer. Therefore the answer is option 3, AC.